Hi, I'm Christabella Gonconcon. I am the founder and CEO of BlackUp, a tech company that is on a mission to use algorithm to try to match companies that are looking to hire Black candidates with Black candidates that are to work for companies. And
I'm Greg Anderson. I came from industry into academia. And I just love to help people, and that's the whole purpose I'm here, is when Christabel reached out to me.
Mark. And I'm Mark Keith. Yeah, I also teach here at Brigham Young University. I've had kind of a winding road. I also just happened to cross paths with Christabel and Greg and get involved in a good project.
yes, so BlackUp is an AI platform that seeks to use algorithms to try to match companies that are looking to hire Black talent with Black applicants that are looking to find companies that want to hire Black professionals. And one of the reasons that I felt that we needed to create this is because as I look at the data, as I look at what has been going on, I realized that the issue of Black employment is almost a 400-year problem.
And Christabel had sent a very eloquent statement about how we need to make a difference in the world. We need to help the Black community. We need to help employment. And so the first thing I did after contacting her and just feeling how wonderful she is and the passion that she has, I reached out to Mark. Now, growing up in a family that where my dad used to live in Mississippi for the Air Force, and he would tell me back in the mid-50s how one of his best friends was Black. And when they were on the Air Force base, they did everything together. But when they left the Air Force base, they couldn't be together. And that just was mind-blowing to me. Why can't everybody just love each other and help each other?
But what we can do is come up with a better prediction in two ways. First, rather than train some predicted model based on the entire population that has some known biases. For example, we've seen Apple and other companies show up in the news in bad ways because they had these machine learning algorithms that they just let run, and an average machine learning algorithm will sort of tend towards the mean, or it'll go towards the most common groups and recommend those. Well, there's ways to get around that. And one of the ways is to sort of stratify the population and focus just on the population you're interested in. So if we make a platform like BlackUp that's just for African Americans, Africans, Black people in general, then we're going to start by ruling out one of those biases. And then another way we can do that is by introducing a little bit of what we call exploration in the model, where we reward people for being different rather than reward the people who are the same. And there's ways to do that that doesn't sacrifice quality or performance in any way. And it helps those sort of unique edge cases in a population rise to the top, which is exactly what would be needed. So those are the two approaches we're trying to take with this algorithm.